Hello again, everyone. Today, I wrote you some sentences. You know why? Because I am not that good at analyzing, so I don't know how to analyze sentences. And you know that when we want to analyze a sentence, we have to begin with what? A subject. But I'm not quite sure about my analysis. Could you help me, dear students? Okay, they are my sentences. Can you see them? Yes. Let me begin with the first one. Jane has studied a text about what? Rainforests, right? Now, could you help me? Yes. Where is the subject? It is Jane, right? Okay. Has studied. What is has? It is what? Auxiliary or helping verb, which means فعل مساعد. And studied, it is the main verb. هو الفعل الرئيسي بالجملة. Okay, what is it? What tense is it? Okay, verb 1, I mean present, past or past participle. Yeah, it is verb 3, right? Which is what? Past participle, right? Okay, students, what is this? What do we call this tense? Has plus have or have plus verb 3. Could you just remind me? We have talked about this one before. Excellent. Today we are talking or refreshing your memories with what? With present perfect. What's the meaning of present perfect? المضارع التام. Let's continue. Right. So subject plus verb plus this is the object. By the way, object, it is optional, right? So it depends on the verb itself, and this is the complement of the what? Statement, right? Now, look at it. What kind of sentences is it? Bravo. It is what? Affirmative, right? Can you give me the structure for the affirmative one? Yes, subject plus have or has. Now, students, can you differentiate between have and has? Good. This is a good point. Have, we use it to talk about what? Plural. What are the plural pronouns? Yes? I, you, they, and we. Right? Pay attention. I with have. Right. What about has? For the singular, we usually use it to talk about it, he, and she. Just the 3 pronouns plus verb 3, and verb 3, it is very important, right? Especially when we are talking about what? Irregular verbs. You know the story that verbs in English are divided into 2 groups. One, which is what? Regular, such as what? Watch, watched, watched. So verb 2 and 3, they both end with what? ed. But when we are talking about irregular verbs, yes, for example, write, wrote, written. Pay attention, verb 2 and 3, they are not the same. Again, a question for you. Cut, cut, cut. What do you think? Regular or irregular? It is irregular, because verb 2 and 3, they do not end with what? With ed, right? So, subject plus have or has plus verb 3 plus the complement or the object, and this is what? Optional. This is what? The affirmative. What about the negative, students? You have just to add what? Not. Where exactly? After has or have. Yes, let's do it. Jane has not. Bravo. So, Jane has not or hasn't. Both of them are right. So, Jane has not what? Studied a text about rainforests. So, the negative form is the same, but you have to pay attention. You must add what? Not after has or have. Okay? Plus verb 3 plus the complement of the statement. Right? Now, question. Okay, do you remember we have talked about this one before? You have to begin with the auxiliary verb, which is has or have. So, has Pay attention. Capital or small? For sure, it's capital. Have plus. I'm talking about have or has, by the way. Plus subject. Where is the subject here? It's Jane. Plus verb 3 plus the complement. And don't miss what? Question mark. Okay? This is my first example. Shall I move to the next one? Now it's your turn. You have to do it. Yes. My students have written advertisements about their what? Dream jobs. Yeah. Subject. My students. Bravo. Verb. Yes. Have written. Have. It is the auxiliary. And this is verb 3. Also, it is called what? Main verb. And this is what? The object, right? Can you make it negative? Students, yeah. My students, yes, have not written advertisement and etc. What about the questions? Yeah, it's have, capital letter, pay attention. Have my students written advertisements about their dream jobs? What? It is a question mark. Okay, this is the structure. What about the uses? We have many different uses for what? For the present perfect. Okay, first of all, when we are talking about something that happened and finished in the past, but we don't know the exact time, right? Maybe we are talking about something that happened in the past and finished, right? But we can see the consequences, or it has a present what result. إشي حدث في الماضي وانتهى، لكن أنا ممكن أشوف نتيجة له في في الوقت الحالي. For example, Bishir has broken the window, right? So I can see the window now. It is broken. You are doing very great today, students. Now, can you summarize our lesson for today? Yes, in 2 words. Can you try to guess? Yes, it is present perfect. Well done.